Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Atlas reward credit card to book a rental car. Alright, it's going to be a really quick video. We're not going to waste much time on this at all. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get straight into the video. Now the first thing you want to do is to log into your Atlas online banking platform or the mobile app. You can just log into your Atlas account on Atlas mobile app on your mobile device, and once that's logged in, just select the credit card account that you want to use to book a rental car. And next you're gonna click on travel, and now you're gonna review the rental car booking options. You got a couple of options available on Atlas, so just review them and find the one that you want. So just search and book a rental car using your credit card. Now you can review and confirm your rental car booking details just to make sure everything is well understood. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Atlas reward credit card to book a rental car. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you